Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a Ready. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So let's get started. Open the terminal now. So first we just type your sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your net discover minus I80. So I have identified my target machine is here. So I just quit now. Just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a is an address scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So we have got the nmap result. One is available with the SH. Another one is available with the port 8. This is in Apache server. Another one is available with port 80. It's 8080. But I would like to try to find there is any type of hidden ports is available in this target machine or not. So before that, we would like to visit the target IP address 192.168.18.176. We would like to look here in the Apache server. We would like to look the page source. In the page source, we didn't get anything as useful from here. Let me just close this. Just copy from here, get back here. So I have got another useful port 6379. It's like a Redis server. We would like to do a pen test testing on that also. We would like to look on this. Let's just copy. Now we would like to try to visit. There is another port 176 is with 8080. So it's also same with as an Apache server. Let me just clear. You just refresh. Let me just look the page source. It's also the same thing. Everything is clear. Now let me just type here as there is no any useful information. We would like to go with as data buster 192.168.18.176. Now we didn't get any useful information. So we would like to try with this also, but nothing else. Now we would like to look here for we didn't get any useful information. So let me just try here as with the HTTP with the enter our target IP address 192.168.18.176. We would like to look any useful informations we can get from with the NICTO. With the NICTO also, we not yet any useful information. Now, we would like to try here as nmap. I would like to try with a script as Redis. I would like to get to Redis info minus sv with the port is what is the port of Redis 6379. This is the port. Let's come back. 6379 and targeted IP address is 192.168.18.176. That's it. Now let's wait for this nmap result. So you can look here Redis info. We have got it here like version 6.1, operating system is Linux 5.1 with the AMD x86 and architecture is 64-bit, processor ID is 536, use CPU and connected clients 1, connected slaves, use memory and bind address, client address, client connection. So with my targeted IP address I have requested, then it was displayed the message here. Now I think we have Redis CLI. Yes, we have here Redis CLI. Let me just type here as help. Now, we would like to a dump key, otherwise our push or myself are quiet. Now, let me. We would like to try to connect with the hostname with the Redis CLI. Now, enter your target type here is 192.168.18.176. Now, I have get connected here. Now, it's quite interesting here. Now, I would like to try to create here. I would like to try to put here as a config to set a directory uh, where we would like to set a directory. Now, we would like to look here from here where www html index.html. Let me look. No, it's not going to be found. Okay, you can look here where www.html. We just need to put here look at this place where www.html. Okay, we just put here. That's it. Then it was given as a okay. Quite interesting now. Now I need to put here as a config set database file name equal to cmd.php. That's it. Now we need to set the cmd equal to, so I would like to make a PHP connection directly here, like a PHP payload PHP system. Then let's put here as underscore dollars get. Then you can put here as a cmd. Then let's just close this. And this. That's it. So where we are going to setting as in the cmd. In this PHP with the system dollars underscore get a command. That's it. So it's also okay. Now we would like to put here as a save. It was saved. Now we would like to go here as come back. We would like to try here as either one or one thing. Now let me just put here as cmd.php underscore cmd equal to id Redis version and Redis bit content type. So we have got it here. Now in this case we would like to go and get this. So but we need to get as a but let me in the same thing we would like to try here in the command.php here let me just paste it it not yet file command.php and command.id. It's not filed here. Now let's go back. Now in this case you just try here as which netcat not present here id So now cannot execute a blank command. ID. Okay. Who am I? Let me. I would like to look in the pesos. In the index.html. That's it here. Now, how we would like to try to get it here. Now, to get it here, I would like to try to go here as with the pentest monkey. Then, we would like to go here as pentest monkey. Now, just also put here as URL encoded. We would like to go back here. Come back to a cheat sheet. Reverse shell cheat sheet. Now, I would like to utilize this. The same thing. Now, we would like to open this. We just write here as bash minus I. Let me just paste this. Now, I need to change to my Kali Linux IP address 192.168.18.122, and I just put here. That's it. So now entirely just copy, come back here. Now I would like to make it as a encode this one. Try to encode. So I have got a encoded script here. Now let's come back here. In this new tab, let me just type here as clear. Just put here as netcat minus lvnp 9740. That's it here. Sorry, come back. You just entirely just copy. Go back here. Now in this case, you just paste it. Now you can see here you have not yet get connected here yet. So how we would like to try to connect here. So we tried with this, but it's not work out. Let me just close this. Now let me just come back. With this only we can try. Let's just copy. Now let's just paste this. No, it not even work out. So we can try here with. So we tried, but we have failed to get a reversal connection. Now I just type here as exit. Let me just type here as clear. Now I just put here as cur minus s equal to, let me just put here as a output. Then let's just get back this entirely URL, copy. We would like to paste here. Now I just put here as a strings. So in the strings I have got here as a Redis bits, CTF, usename, AOF, premiable, UID is with the ben and disk. So where I have got it here, right exactly. Now we would like to put here as with the get. Okay. Now we would like to utilize some techniques here to process here. Utilizing with the same as cur minus sx Now I would like to utilize here as get with same thing in the ID place. I just put here as a busy box plus and netcat plus enter your target IP address 192.168.18.122 plus just put here with your port 9740 plus minus E plus bit or extraction. That's it we required here. Now try here. You have get a connected here. So you just need to use a multiple techniques to exploit the machine. That's it here. Now just type ID, you are get it here. Now just type here as which Python, you know to get here. Just type here as which Python 3, you have got it here. You just type here as Python 3 minus C. Import pdy span bin bash. That's it. Where you have got it here. Now just type here as ls minus l, where here is nothing else. We would like to go to here as home directory. ls minus l. You just type here as export tab equal to extra. Let me just type it as clear. Just type ls minus l cd back. Let's just type plus minus l. Just put here as cat user.txt. So where we have find a user.txt file. Now we just try here as a id. We have got it here. Now let me just type here as cd home beta. Permission is denied. Okay, quite interesting. Let's just type here as id. Okay, now here where we have find here a something like a disk. Okay, I would like to know a disk file minus h, where we would like to look here mounted on dev ssm run and log. Quite interesting here. Now let me we would like to go to here as a cd as a user. Let me just type it as clear list then where we would like to go here as bin. So here as a sbin, we would like to go here as cd sbin. Let me just type it as clear list. Okay, so here have a lengthy things. Let me just clear this list. So we would like to go here as a debug fs. So let me just type here as clear cd debug fs. It's not a directory. Okay, so it's quite interesting here pwd. Let me just come back here. Now let me just type come back here. We just put here a sudo minus f user bin bbash. Okay, so here we have user bin bbash. So how we would like to come back here? So let me uh, we would like to try to go with the only with as disk. Okay, let's we just try here as df minus h. So it's quite interesting. Let me we just go to here as home and web. Quite interesting. Df minus h. Now let's we just put here as uh, which debug f. Oh, sorry. Let me just put here as uh, df minus h. Uh, let's which debug fs. Oh, sorry. Which debug fs, where we have find here. Let me. We just utilize user has been with the debug fs. So where we have got it here. Now let me. I just want to read cat root dot sh id underscore rsa. It's not open. I just try here as exit. So I just quit this here. Let me. I try to connect here again. Let me just quit this, utilizing this. So I have get connected again. So now let me would like to execute here. Port as pdy span bin bash. Now let's go to here as cd home. Let me just type here export tab equal to extra export term equal to extra. Let me just type here as clear. Now we just know here let just put here as which debug fs we have got here. Just put here as user spin debug fs. Then just put here as a dev sda1. That's it here where we have got it here. Now let's we just put here as cat root dot sh. Just put here as id underscore rsa. So where I have got this as a rsa key. So once you have got this rsa key, let's entirely just copy your rsa key. Once you have copied, I would like to open a new tab. Let me just put here as plus, just put here as none, id underscore rsa. Let me just put here Control O, Control X. Let me just write it as clear. So this is like a SSH. Now we would like to try to get a root privilege. So for that, we would like to try to crack this one. Let me. I would like to go and get it here. So this is totally is waste of time, which we have done with the URL encoded. I would like to go for here is RSA crack. We would like to utilize here as a RSA crack. So not this. Let's we'd like to go to here as a RSA crack. So we would like to go back here. Now I would like to download and install directly in the path. Let me just put here as a wc get. Then let's just put it here. Okay, just put here as sudo su, enter your password. Let's put here. Now just exit this, only this as a RSA crack. So how we would like to utilize here as now RSA crack, just put here as minus help. So where we have got to this as RSA crack. Now utilizing here as RSA crack, key for ID underscore RSA, word list is user share word list. Let me just put here as arrow.txt. That's it. Now it will try to crack the password within some fraction of time. Once it is cracked, then we are ready to go further. So I have got the password here. I use a shell. Just copy this one. Now let's come back here. We just put this. Now just put here as sh root at the rate. sh minus id underscore rsa root. You just type here as s and it asks the password. Let's just paste it here. So I have come to an root now, root privilege. So just type it as list minus l. Now I have here root.zip. Now I would like to get here as a root.zip. Now let me I would like to put here as Python minus m http dot server. Okay, Python 3 minus m http dot server. Now we would like to get this. Let me just type it as clear. Just clear as wget http enter your IP address 192.168.18.176. Then you just put here as a root.zip where you have got it here. Now just type here as a unzip root.zip. So it also asks password is there. Now what we would like to do here as a zip to jump. Then let's just put here as root.zip to hash. So where we have got it here. Now let's just put here as cat as hash where this is a password is in hash format. Quite interesting. Now let me just utilize here as jar hash. Let's just put here as a word list. We going to utilize the same thing. User share word list rocky.txt. That's it. I have got it here. The password is already. Now let's just unzip as a root.zip. Let's just paste it. Now let me just type it as clear. You just put here as cat a root.txt. It's the same thing. I have identified the root flag here also. Let me just quit this. Let me just type it as clear. Just put here as list minus l cat unzip root.zip. So here his permission is decline. Just put here. So we have got here the root flag. That's it. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.